Yeah, hi, my name's John and I'm responsible for looking after the waterfalls area within the national park. So that's carrying out work to make the area safe for people, but also to manage the high visitor numbers that we're getting in the area currently as well. Whilst it's a very small geographical area, the waterfalls area, it is a very technical and complicated area to work in. Not only is it because it's a protected landscape that we've got to be very careful about what we do and how we do it, but it's also the logistics of getting materials to some of these sites, as well as the selection of materials that we can use. And of course that comes at a cost. And SLSP has been able to fund this work, and working closely with our partners, NRW, the County Council and others, we've been able to make the most of this opportunity the funding's given us. It's enabled us to carry out repairs to the path network in this very fragile and very important area. The footfall from the visitors has caused erosion on the paths, which we've had to correct, not only to make it safer for the visitors, but to make sure they stay on the paths that we want them to, and they're not damaging accidentally the fragile environment and the lower plants that this area is so important for, the mosses, the lichens and the bryophytes. With the SLSP funding, we've been able to try new materials. We've put new steps in areas. We've put new surfacing in areas as well, which will be harder wearing, longer lasting, and therefore more environmentally friendly. What's really nice is when people take the time to notice the work that we've done and comment on it. It's not just me that's doing this, obviously, it's a big team effort, not just within the national park, but with those partner organisations as well. And I do count myself very lucky, not only to work in this wonderful area, even on days like this, but also to work with some wonderful people who are as just dedicated to this area as what I am, to make sure that it is as protected as possible and that it's as safe as possible for visitors, and that the visitors have as best days they can when they come here. The SLSP funding that we've had over the last 3 years has been fantastic. It's really kick-started the work in this area to protect it and make it as safe as possible for the visitors. We're looking forward now into the future to see what we can do to carry on that work, to maintain the work that we've already done, but also to carry on doing the improvement work that we've started.